we want to go anywhere as fast as possible. Our heart desire to stay the safest. At the center of it all lies Katem's technology, an enterprise that garners global attention beyond Korea. Katem, with tomorrow more promising than today. Katem Co. Limited with technology that garners global attention. In 2014, Katem was founded as a company specializing in railroad parts based on automobile parts. In short time, Katem was recognized for its technical capabilities when it won the Best SME Enterprise Award in the Creative Economy Idea Contest, held at the Gyeongnam Creative Economy Innovation Center in April 2015. After it was integrated as a corporation in 2017, the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, and Transport selected Katem to carry out a project in 2018. In 2019, Katem completed the registration of international and domestic patents for brake discs for KTX. Katem completed the localization of developing a brake disc for KTX in 2021. Katem obtained the certification of new technology that requires investment in the commercialization stage and an international certification IRIS for overseas export from TUV Rhineland within the same year. In 2022, Katem received an order for brake discs for KTX from the Korea Railroad Corporation. With these performances, Katem has been recognized as a leading small and medium-sized company in the high-speed railroad industry. Katem leads the localization of technology. Katem's excellence is shown in its products. Katem entered the fields of brake discs for high-speed railroads and power transmission parts for defense vehicles, which are special purpose. Katem has localized wheel hubs and power transmission axles, acquired the first and only formal national approval in Korea, manufactured a brake disc for high-speed railroads, created source technology and technology for preventing cracks on the brake disc's surface, developed brake disc technology for improving cooling efficiency, and more. Katem leads the localization of products that are usually imported. Business, high-speed railroad. Korea quickly established itself as one of the world's top 4 high-speed railroad producers. This is all thanks to Katem. Katem successfully localized a brake disc and power transmission axle for high-speed railroads. In particular, it is quite significant that a brake disc for high-speed railroads, which was a core part that had always been imported, was first developed by Katem. Katem's brake disc is excellent when it comes to crack and wear resistance. In addition, it has excellent strength against external shocks. Furthermore, its materials are made in Korea, which, in turn, secures price competitiveness. Katem developed a power transmission axle for high-speed railroads, which protects internal core parts from being automatically broken because of excessive external torque. Katem successfully accomplished the localization of products that always had been imported. Business, localization of products that were all imported. Katem's other business venture involves defense parts. Beyond the localization of defense equipment that has been promoted thus far, Katem focuses its capabilities on exporting domestic defense equipment to global markets. In addition to the water jet drive shaft, which is a main product, Katem leads the development of defense parts, ranging from parts for naval combat ships, state-of-the-art missile components, and aviation components. Business, construction equipment, and commercial vehicles. Katem has the manufacturing technology for double cardan drive shafts for wheel excavators and loaders, which were mostly imported in the construction equipment industry. Katem is also involved in commercial vehicles, such as civil and military trucks, buses, and special vehicles. We developed a brake caliper assembly that uses the frictional force of relative motion between the brake pad and disc to slow down or brake vehicles. Furthermore, to prepare for the era of electric vehicles, we have begun research on wheels and hubs and electric motors in the commercial vehicles industry. Better than others. Safer than others. Perfect compared to others. We take on unlimited challenges and have undying passion. With Katem's technology, we will vigorously move forward to conquer the global markets for tripods and brake discs, which are necessary for the 400 km/h ultra-high-speed railroad era.